Good evening. My name is Cherie Sims, and I want to speak for a few moments about demand theory and its application. This presentation is a proposal to expand our healthcare facilities to include another urgent care 7 days a week in our county. Our county has been described as unique and one of the most beautiful places in the world. However, there is a great mix of insured and underinsured in our community. The county is growing at 1.5% to 2% each year, and since 2010, we have seen a 20% increase in our population. As the demographics continues to shift in our county, there is a demand to provide non-emergent care for our community members. Although there are other urgent care facilities in our county currently, there is not one in the area where we are looking to open another facility. The uninsured and insured alike are in need of healthcare service delivery that is available before and after normal business hours. Some of the economic analysis that we reviewed are purchasing an existing building. As we partner with our hospital system, we will be able to save on startup as we have experts in these areas to provide needed resources. Our payer mix in our county is primarily private insurance, with 46% of those being employee-based insurance. We are one of the top 3 hospitals in our Tri-County area. So again, partnering with our current healthcare system, we'll be able to see the increase of overall revenue after a break-even point within 2 years. Based on our demographic studies, we show that offering non-emergent healthcare services 7 days a week from 7 a.m. until 8 p.m. daily can assist our hospitals in decompressing the ER wait times. In addition, offering late evening hours, so extended hours until 11 p.m., 3 days a week on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, can assist those weekend hospital visits and urge the minor colds and cuts to be addressed in an urgent care setting rather than through the emergency room. These particular days show an increase in visits to the emergency room for minor illnesses. And with an overall per enrollee private spending on healthcare at nearly $4,600, we want to encourage our median age of 50 in our community to visit these urgent care facilities. Accessibility and affordability are promoted through the ACA, and an expansion of our healthcare system would also provide accessibility to the underinsured and insured. So we would offer social services for the homeless and underinsured as part of our nonprofit healthcare system. Florida is one of the top 3 states for social needs, so we want to ensure that those chronically homeless individuals in the nation are being serviced through the urgent care facilities with a social services rep. So our strategic development is to implement additional cash flow, to purchase the abandoned building once used as a nonprofit urgent clinic. Non-urgent uninsured patients are able to obtain services at these urgent clinics and offer social services for those patients requiring assistance in the community. As we aim to offer an additional service in our community, we must market appropriately, as we are looking to obtain a facility that once was an urgent care. It will require some minor renovations and equipment upgrades. However, we are purchasing the facility and all furnishings and equipment for a little over $500,000. The marketing strategy for this newly renovated facility will be vital to its success, as we will need to ensure our community members, both insured and uninsured, are aware of the services being offered, as well as the social services available for use. So our goal within social services would be to help those underinsured and uninsured users find the necessary resources with our community that provide free of charge equipment and medication as part of Samaritan Ministries within our county. Some of the incentives and challenges will reduce acute hospital admissions, decompress ER waiting times, and offer extended hours for hospital staff and non-emergent illnesses. Some of the disadvantages: we will have to hire additional staff and educate for social services needs. We will have to provide adequate rotation of clinicians to prevent burnout. And we will have to do some renovation as well as some equipment upgrades. However, offering our healthcare system staff extended hours will ensure patient satisfaction, staff satisfaction, and promote healthcare system within our community. As we optimize marketing for branding in our community, utilizing the hospital's established name in the community to encourage providers to refer to the newly renovated urgent care facility is important. This opportunity can be successful as we partner with other community groups and healthcare facilities in our area. Thank you so much.